foremost. And also, I'll teach you about out there. So let's begin by saying hello. Can you give a wave and can you say Warrami?
Warrami.
Warrami. So that's how where I say hello in my country, back home in Alice Springs, we put our hands up like this, twist it and point, and in Aranda we say Wada. Wada. So that's how we say hello. So of course, Aboriginal people, there are 800 nations in Australia. There are new maps, and you should investigate those new maps, because those new maps tell you exactly who it gets you the correct borders. We get the colourful one, we all grew up with, and but there is other maps that we should also have in our classroom. Very important, because as a teacher, it's very important to teach correct history. So I'm going to now begin also by playing this beautiful instrument. Of course, we call it the didgeridoo. Of course, the traditional name is yiraki. So can you say yiraki? Yeah. So that's Arnhem Land. Up in Queensland, they call it yiggy yiggy. And where I come from, we do percussion. So we stop the ground, play boomerangs, clap sticks, and tap our feet and tap our hands. So we do percussion. In the desert, we call it ilpura. You say ilpura. That means our windpipe. Okay. So there are rules. The boys and girls are not allowed to play it. It belongs to boys and men. But there are breathing techniques that the women can inform you about. That's women's business. But I'll let the women decide and tell you that. But just to let you show how it's made, this particular one is from outback New South Wales. It comes from a mallee, which is a gum tree, which has many branches. And for me, they're my favourite because they have a bigger bell. So if you young fellas want to play, it's a fantastic instrument to play. It heals you and it heals others. So if you've got asthma, you should play it because it helps you with the asthma. Very good. Okay. And it increases your oxygen supply up to 20% in your blood. So I've got 20% extra oxygen in my blood than anybody else because I play this, okay? And it keeps me healthy. So I want to begin by doing a little blessing, tell the bad spirits to go away, and also acknowledge the owners and this country. Okay, that's very right. There we go. End of our little ceremony.